Verizon 5G home internet, full installation. Good day guys, today I'll walk you through how to install and set up Verizon 5G home internet from start to finish. The setup is simple, but there are a few important steps that you will need to know to help you get the strongest signal and the best speeds right away. So firstly, of course, make sure to unbox your gateway, and inside the box you will find the Verizon 5G gateway, the power cable and the quick start guide. Plug the power cable in, but don't place the gateway in its final spot yet. We need to find the strongest 5G signal first. On your phone, open the App Store or Google Play and download My Verizon app. Sign into your account and then tap Set up Home Internet. The app will guide you step by step. And now for the best signal location, place the gateway near a window or an open area of your home. The app will show a signal strength meter. Green means strong, yellow is moderate, and red is weak. Move the device until you find the strongest reading. Usually higher placement and fewer walls give better speeds. And when you're happy with the signal, tap Activate in the app. The gateway will reboot and finish the setup automatically. This usually takes a few minutes. Wait until the light turns solid and the app shows activation successful. And then next, go to Wi-Fi settings inside the My Verizon app. Choose the Wi-Fi name and password. You can enable WPA3 security for stronger protection if your device supports it. Save your changes and reconnect to the new network. And also optimize your speeds. To get the best performance, you just need to keep the gateway off the floor, preferably on a shelf or a table. Avoid closets, cabinets, and metal objects. Keep it away from microwaves and thick brick walls. Allow at least 1 meter of open space around the device, and also you can run a speed test in the app to check improvements. And that's it guys, your Verizon 5G home internet is now fully installed and ready to go. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button of course and subscribe, and also tell me in the comments what speeds are you getting on your setup. I can make a follow-up video on boosting performance even more if you wish. See you soon.